Welcome back to another episode of the Frontenac Challenge. All right, today we are down at Big Salmon Lake. We are going to campsite 3. I'm here with Brad. Once again, we're gonna try and get some lake trout. This lake is known to naturally house lake trout, so let's hopefully get into some. We're at the campsite. Seems like a decent one.
Solid ground.
Yeah. Good spot to put the tent right there. Outhouse isn't far, which is nice.
An outhouse.
Yep. And there's also somewhere around here, I think it might be up there. There's a spot where we're gonna keep our food overnight.
That box?
Yeah, that's the box there. All right, tent's all set up. We're gonna do We're gonna do a few more things around camp, and then we're gonna get on the water and try and land one of those lake trout. Dude, I told you that's not how you fish with crayfish.
No, I'm pretty sure I can catch a fish this time.
Okay, so we're not far offshore. And we saw a ruckus on the water over there, so. Okay, so we keep seeing fish jumping around us, and I'm marking fish on the fish finder, but they just won't bite what we're throwing. Whoa! Yeah. Look at the size of that. Am I on? I'm on. What's this? Yeah. Oh. Going for the top water. All right. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Right on. Groovy.
It's not big, but I got one. He's a bass.
Yeah.
Oh, he shot out of my hand straight into the water as I put him in front of the camera.
Oh, I'm on. Just a small one again. Nice. Okay, anyways, hope you had fun. Part 7 of the Frontenac Challenge. Next month in September. And yeah, it'll start getting a little bit more chilly at night, so that'll be nice. And we're into the winter months pretty soon. Anyways, hope you liked what you saw. Hope you had fun. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll catch you later.